How often do you get this feeling to go back to a place, not to change anything, but to feel a few things twice, or maybe enjoy a new experience? I feel you can visit the same place over and over again and see it differently each time. I returned to Drung for the third time in less than 2 years. Having seen pictures of this waterfall frozen in peak winter, I had to return here to see it for myself, what it actually looked like. As severe cold continued to grip Kashmir, with night temperatures plummeting across the valley and settling at -8 and below, made it the apt time to visit the waterfall. Since my first visit here, I've found that this place has become a lot more popular and is now the newest attraction for people visiting Gulmarg. The beautiful falls cascaded down. It was a sight to behold. No more does it cascade down, frozen solid from its core. It lay still.
Good morning, and I'm back at Drung for the third time, and finally I get to see what I've been craving to see, and that is to see part of this waterfall frozen. And there you have it. It's not fully frozen, but I'm still just happy to have seen a frozen waterfall for the very first time. And this place is completely like white. It has snowed so much yesterday, and look how beautiful this place is. I guess they say, there are some places that you go back to, you never get tired of, and I think this is one of the places, no matter how many times I come, I still love it, and every time it's a new experience. So I guess every season here has its own charm, and this waterfall is definitely worth a see.
I hope you enjoyed the journey as much as I did bringing it to you. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.